Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English Boost Motivation Learning channel. Today's lesson is very important. Our topic is daily English phrases native speakers use. Native speakers do not speak very difficult English. They use simple, natural, daily phrases. In this 40-minute lesson, you will learn real English that people use in daily life. Listen carefully. Repeat after me. Let's begin. Part 2. Greeting phrases. Native speakers say, hi, hello, hey, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Instead of, how are you, they often say, how's it going? How are things? What's up? How's your day going? Example, hi, how's it going? It's going well, thanks. Repeat slowly. Part 3. Daily polite phrases. Native speakers use polite phrases all the time. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Thanks so much. I really appreciate it. For asking politely, could you help me? Can you please repeat that? Would you mind helping me? For responding, no problem. Sure. Of course. That's okay.
Part 4. Common response phrases. Instead of long answers, natives say, sounds good. That's fine. Okay, sure. I think so. Maybe. Examples. Let's meet tomorrow. Sounds good. Are you busy? A little. Part 5. Daily action phrases. Native speakers say, I'm heading home. I'm on my way. I'll be there soon. I'm running late. Let me check. Examples. Where are you? I'm on my way. Can you call me later? Sure, I'll call you. Part 6. Expressing feelings. Native speakers express feelings simply. I'm tired. I'm hungry. I'm excited. I'm stressed. I feel good. Instead of very good, they say awesome, great, amazing. Part 7. Agreement and disagreement. Agreement. I agree. Exactly. You're right. That's true. Disagreement. Polite. I don't think so. Maybe not. I see it differently.
Part 8. Ending conversations. Native speakers say, I have to go. Talk to you later. See you soon. Take care. Have a nice day. Example, it was nice talking to you. You too. Take care. Part 9. Practice and motivation. Now repeat these phrases daily. Do not translate in your language. Think in English. Speak slowly. Speak daily. You will improve. Thank you for watching. See you in the next lesson.